Hello, welcome to Terrace Lego and Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build the physics fidget. Here's how it would work. So you would lift an axle, a Technic beam, and the whole thing would start following. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Start with a 2x4 base and put a tower of 9 1x1s and the top one having an axle hole right here. After you've done that, get an axle and put any sort of gear or stopper on the end of it. Then you want to make 4 Technic beams which have a Technic pin, but one of those shouldn't have any. So start putting the 3 that have Technic pins on your axle, but the 4th one, just put it on without. Next, just connect it on to your Technic thing and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Bye!